front of me is OUKITEL WP50 and today I would like to show you how you can use split screen. Begin by launching one of your apps and then leaving it open in the background. Now do exactly the same with second one and open background apps. Finally, it's time to click on those three dots at the top right corner of one of your apps you wish to use on the top half of your screen and selecting split screen. Now tap on the second app. As you can see now, I can use both at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way down or all the way up and hit home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!